Azure Load Balancer delivers high availability and network performance to your applications. The load balancer distributes inbound traffic to backend resources using load balancing rules and health probes. Load balancing rules will determine how the traffic is distributed to the backend. The health probes ensures that the resources in the backend are healthy. The resources could be virtual machines or even apps. The load balancer can be used for inbound as well as outbound scenarios, and it can scale up to millions of TCP and UDP data flows. Always keep this diagram in mind when you think about load balancer. As you see, there are four components here that must be configured for your load balancer, and we'll take a look at that when we do the labs. So there is a front-end IP configuration. There's a backend pool that consists of virtual machines in this case. Then there are health probes that will constantly probe the backend pool to identify whether the virtual machines are healthy or not. Are they listening on a particular port, like port number 80 maybe? And then you also define the load balancing rules. Let's talk more about public load balancer and internal load balancers in the upcoming lessons.